Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara shoulder bag, and these are the materials I will be using. This is Ankara fabric, lining, staple, scissors, and interfacing. This is a strong interfacing, guys. The measurement for this bag will be 18.5 inches 18.5 inches by 10, 18.5 inches by 10 inches, 18.5 by 10 inches. So this Ankara fabric had already iron interfacing on it, strong interfacing. So the next thing to do is just to flip your Ankara fabric over, and you're going to fold. While you're folding, you want to measure and let this one be 7 inches, the one we are folding. So you can see I folded 7 inches. You can now pin it from this point. So when that is done, from the bottom side now, I'm going to measure one inch. Then from this point, we're also going to measure 1 inch. So you do the same for this other side. You measure 1 inch. And when that is done, you cut it out. When you are done cutting out, then we'll come to the top part. This top part, the remaining one is 4.5. So from this end now, you will measure 1 inch. I'm going to connect this line to this line. Then I will also measure 1 inch from this other side. So when that is done, you connect the line. And you are going to cut this line out. You also cut this other side out. So guys, when that is done, I'm going to shape in this edge. Place something round and you shape the edge. So I'm going to cut this out. So when this is done, just fold it to this other side. Trace it out. We are also going to cut this end out. So guys, when you are done with the edges, the next thing you want to do is to remove your pin. Open your Ankara this way, and you want to place your lining under. Place your lining. You are going to trace this cutting out on your lining, and you also cut it out. So guys, when you are done cutting out your lining, the next thing you want to do is to go to the sewing machine. We are going to stitch this way. Fold the fabric. I'm going to stitch down, stitch down, then you're going to stitch this bottom part. You will stitch this bottom part also. And you're going to do the same for the lining. So I am done stitching, and I've also stitched the lining. So you can turn your bag inside out. So when that is done, we'll set it aside. So we'll fix the handle of the bag. This is an Ankara fabric, and I've already ironed a strong interfacing in it. And the measurement is 17 inches. 17 inches by 3.5. So what I did was to iron half inch. I folded it on each other. And you are going to stitch from this point to this point, and you stitch this other side from this point to this point. So guys, when you are done stitching the handle, the next thing to do is to fix this to our bag. We're going to put it this way, and you will stitch. Then you bring this other side this way, and you're going to stitch, and you stitch. So guys, when you are done stitching the handle, the next thing to do is to wear this for your lining. This is the inside of the lining, this is the outside. So you're going to wear your bag inside the lining. So when you are done, you are going to stitch round. You stitch, marking where to stitch. When you get to this point, leave about 3 inches that we'll use to turn the bag inside out, and you continue your stitch. So guys, when you are done with your stitches, you can notch this part, this round part, before we will turn the bag inside out. Notch this corner also, this corner. Notch this other corner. Then this is the space I said should not stitch, so we're going to turn this back inside out from this space. So guys, when that is done, you will go back to your sewing machine. You're going to top stitch. Start your top stitch from this part that is open. You will top stitch the bag round. So guys, when you are done top stitching your bag to lay flat, the lining will now be staying inside properly. And the next thing to do is to close this bag up. We are going to use this Velcro. This is 1 inch Velcro. We will fix one here. You will stitch it, and you stitch the other one on this part. So guys, when that is done, you fix your Velcro. Your bag should be looking like this. So I want to cover this stitch. So we are going to use cover button. If you have been watching my tutorials, you will know how to make this by now. And if this is your first time you are coming across this cover button, please feel free to stroll the channel so you can get a video on how we usually make this. So I will fix this here with the help of hot glue. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.